You should always be testing your reloads with a chrony. Okay guys, so this is a chrony, and you should essentially always test your reloads with a chrony. And the reason for that is if you don't have a chrony, you're literally just loading in the dark. You're looking up in your manual, you're seeing the velocities, what you expect for a specific given powder, you go to the range, and it feels good, but you don't know what those velocities really are. You're just kind of guessing, and it's probably something like the manual. But powders can vary from batch to batch and brand to brand and all that stuff. So even if you get the same powder and then you go buy the same thing a couple years later, the batch might not be perfectly the same, and so your velocities might change. Maybe your powder setup wasn't quite on point. So always reload with a chrony, especially for precision rounds, because when you're going for your holdovers, you need to know your bullet weight and all the its coefficient, its drag coefficient, and all those different things. And one of the biggest important things to know is how fast your bullet is going, so you get your proper holdovers for precision rounds. So you need to go get your chrony. Honestly, they're not even that expensive. They're like $100. They're way cheaper than like the press that you get. So you should always be reloading with a chrony. If you're gonna get into reloading, this tool is essential. You need to get it. Okay, people don't think about this tool as being necessary for reloading, but it absolutely is. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or what you think about reloading with the chrony, then please put in the comments below. Anyway, guys, thanks. I'll see you next time.